Hey, this is Laura from Outback Motortek, and we are stoked to present a new set of crash bars and a bash plate too, although that's not final yet. We're making changes and updating it. For now, we're focusing on the set of crash bars, and this is for a Honda CRF450L RL model. Some specs about the crash bars. It's 18 millimeter diameter steel tubing. It's exactly the same diameter tubing we use for our highly successful KTM 690, Husky 701, and Gas 700 crash bars. The entire crash bars system is mounted on the frame. So we have frame mounting points back here, frame mounting points down here, secured with 2 long through bolts, and we have a cross brace up here. The cross brace does not bolt on the frame, so what we have come up with is 2 tabs pointing backwards. They're about 1 inch, 25 millimeters long, and they have rubber pads in between, and so it does not actually come in contact with the frame. Besides the red color, we're also going to be offering matte texture black for those of you who prefer something a bit more modest and something that doesn't stick out too much. It is also compatible with IMS fuel tanks. In this case, this one is, I believe, 3 gallons. 3 gallons capacity fuel tank, not just the OEM tank that it's compatible with. And one more important thing, we didn't want the crash bars to stick out too far, and we didn't want them to be too bulky, and we didn't want them to come up too high and cause a lot of vibration and rattling and whatnot. So they are fairly close to the plastic panels. I can stick my hand in between, and so it's about 20 millimeters, 3/4 of an inch that we aimed for, and that's more or less what we have here. So quite a few people who have asked for crash bars for these small enduros. The people who are using these bikes primarily to overland adventure, and as such, people also want to put luggage, pouches, bags, you name it, to spread the load. And in this case, many people will end up probably using the crash bars to put pouches on them. It's not what we recommend per se, but that's how a lot of people use crash bars as well. They utilize it as a platform. And then some people may end up putting small fog lights on them to create better visibility at night or just on trails, period. And so this is the final look, and we're stoked about this, but we would love to hear your feedback, and then we shall begin the production. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can email us info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can call toll free 877-931-3636.